Hello everyone and welcome in this video. Today I will show you how to use Scratch for beginners. At the end of this video, you'll be able to know the Scratch interface and create a short story with simple actors. Let's start. I already opened the Scratch program. I'm going to show you the Scratch interface. To create with Scratch, it helps to be familiar with the different parts of the Scratch editor interface. The main areas to be familiar with in the Scratch editor is the stage, the scripts area, block palette, and the sprites pane. The scripts area. This is where you can drag and manipulate blocks of code to make your Scratch project. To remove something from your scripts area, just drag it back onto the blocks palette. Sprites pane. The sprites pane includes thumbnails of the sprites your current project uses. To edit the script of a particular sprite, it needs to be selected in the sprites pane. You might be asking, what is sprite? A sprite is an object that performs actions in Scratch. Sprites are the only part of your project that can move. The stages are the backdrops in your project. You can make changes to these backdrops images, but they don't move and they can't perform actions based on the scripts you create. Now you know all the parts of the script.
Now I'm going to create a short story. First, I'm going to choose the actors. For this story, I will choose Devin and Dee. These are the two actors of my story. Second, I am going to choose a backdrop. The backdrop should be an urban place. My story is Dave and Dee will meet each other. Dave is going to ask Dee to go with him to the park and Dee will accept. First, I am going to change direction of Dee because he should be facing Devin. I will delete the cat because I don't need it. I just click on this button. Now I should add blocks. My story will begin when space key pressed. Now I am creating blocks for Devin. When space key pressed, Devin will move 30 steps forward. Then he will say hello for 2 seconds. Then he will say, how are you? Then he will wait for 5 seconds. Then he will say, good. Then he will say, would you like to go with me to the park? Then he will wait few seconds, like 5 seconds. Devin will wait because Dee will talk to him. That's why I'm putting this block. Then he will say, great. Now I'm creating these blocks. I will speed the video.
Welcome back. I did the blocks for D. Now I will show you the final result. That's it. This is the end of the video. I hope that you liked it and you learned how to use Scratch. And bye bye.